He did anything. He forgets because he was obviously not in Delhi, so he won't remember. Um, uh, Former chief ministers like Vijay Kumar Malhotra and Madan Lal Khurana worked day and night to rehabilitate the victims of rioting and counted the number of dead, which worked out to be close to 3,000, and they demanded that the number as per the government record be changed. And subsequently commission happened which brought the number to 2,778, close to the then demand of the BJP, which was 3,000 people who had died only in Delhi. And not just this, from financial assistance to looking after people was done by the BJP, which was and many people from our families were involved in the rehabilitation to fighting the legal battle and those cases. I remember as a student of Delhi University, we did not have the resources what one sees today in the hands of students. We used to collect newspapers, and we had a professor called Mr. Khera. Through him, we used to sell those newspapers and rehabilitate by buying bicycles and sewing machines and give it to the right victims.
सोनिया गांधी कांग्रेस के प्रेसिडेंट वो कह रहे हैं कि जो नफरत फैला रहे हैं उनको रोकना चाहिए।
बहुत अच्छा दिन चुना है सोनिया जी ने आज प्रवचन देने के लिए, क्योंकि नफरत कांग्रेस ने किस तरीके से फैलाई थी 31 वर्ष पहले जब 84 के दंगे हुए थे, वो तो इतिहास भी गवाह है और देश भी गवाह है। और 84 ना तो शुरुआत थी ना अंत था। 84 के बाद पूरे देश भर में लगातार मेरठ, हाशिमपुरा, तमाम जगहों पर जहाँ इनकी सरकारें थी वहाँ पर दंगे रहे, और उससे पूर्व में भी 67 और उसके बाद 74, मतलब तमाम अनगिनत दंगे। और आज का दिन तो जिन लोगों ने अवार्ड वापस किया, जो अब तक इन सब दंगों के दौरान कुंभकर्ण की नींद सो रहे थे, आज उनके जागने का दिन होना चाहिए कि उनको याद करना चाहिए कि इस देश में किस तरीके से किस नफरत की आग पैदा की गई थी, और जो लोग आज भाषण दे रहे हैं वही इन सब चीज़ों के लिए जिम्मेवार हैं, जिन्होंने पूरे देश को माइनॉरिटी और मेजॉरिटी में बांटा और इस तरीके की सियासत की कि 67 साल में देश का ताना बाना जो एक होना चाहिए था तोड़फोड़ कर दिया।
Congress President Sonia Gandhi had said that we should fight against them those trying to spread hatred.
I think she has chosen a very right day to do her preaching, because today was the day and yesterday was the day when Congress preached the lesson of non-violence by creating the riots of 1984. And I think by today, that is 1st of November, between 31st and 1st of November, more than 1,000 people had been burned alive in Delhi. And overall 3,000 people had died in about 1 week's time. So this is the kind of message of non-violence and spreading hatred or controlling hatred happened during Congress time. And 84 riot was neither the first riot or the last riot of this country. Most riots have taken place during Congress regime, and it is the Congress party which taught the country the lessons of majority and minority and never allowed country to unite as one person and one people, that is Indian. In fact, they kept dividing into caste, color, creed, whatever. And today they are preaching the lessons. I can say all those people who are returning the awards, they should wake up from the sleep of Kumbhkarna, because throughout this history they kept sleeping and they never bothered and they had no problems in accepting awards from a government like that.